Hello and welcome to my loft, and the lights are just switched off. Well, in fact, these are the new lights I've put in because in the far background, as you can see, it's pretty dark and there's no point in having so much effort and money into building trains if you can't really see them. And I have been buying lots of these strip lights used in kitchens underneath cupboards, and I've installed them even underneath the various lines. Much better. Now, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, and even better, watch all the way to the end, because it really helps to promote my video. And if you're slightly bored, go off and make a cup of tea and it'll all be over soon. Anyway, this is my top level. All the trains are based about 1960 to 61, and if you just saw that flicker of the light, I have just switched off the new installed lights, and this is what it used to be like. And the lights have come on, but I hadn't realized just how good my phone camera was at filming in the twilight. And in actual fact, this is a bit hard to see without the new lights on. But anyway, something I learned. And oops, a wagon has just come off. Here's the other side. Again, there'll be a flicker of the lights. And it is actually quite dark, but the camera is so good at filming in poor light conditions. But you will notice the quality of the image was much poorer when it's dark and lights have come back on. You can just see I've got 15 model trains all running at the same time. Here is the bottom corner of my railway. The new lighting switched off. This is what the lighting used to be like. The 225 is a bit too fast. It's pretty hard trying to, in this case, control 7 trains and film at the same time. This is another one of my corners, my Pendolinos, who, as you can guess, I really like. And when the lights go off, you'll see it's much darker. And in reality, the lighting is actually much worse than the camera picks out. Again, and this corner is in another part of my loft, and the trains in the background are quite difficult to see sometimes. You can see underneath all the different levels, the strip lights, the LEDs I've installed. Really is worth doing. It really does enhance your model trains. This is the power unit to supply all my LEDs. These LEDs are in the ceiling with an edge, so you can't actually see the lights themselves. And back to my top set, 1960-61, and 13 trains all running at the same time. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in 2 or 3 weeks' time. Bye.